little male cat, which I've caught this motherfucker already. So this is twice that he's done this. Guess we're just gonna let him off where we let the other one off yesterday. Well, yeah. Just put him off right here. Yep, here. Come here. And turn your end that way so he can run off to the woods. He's a fucking mean ass cat. Oh, I got the. Hold on. Kitty! It's okay, little buddy. I'm not gonna hurt you. Come here. Come here. Come here, little baby. Come on, little baby. Come here. Right. Come here, little buddy. Come here. Come here. Damn. He's beat up his face. I'm gonna let him go. Next time you get caught now, I'm gonna let you go and you're gonna stay gone. Here, Billy, hold this thing right here. We could probably sell that wood right there. And gather all that wood like that right there. Somebody buy that shit this time of the year. Yeah, keep the camera on. There you go. Yeah, keep it on the, yeah. You already know what to do, don't you? Because you're getting caught too much, yeah. Woo! Did you get them running back there? Good. Alright. Alright, well, the trap caught again. With nothing in it, so see pretty much how animals are pretty stupid, so of course I'll be doing it again with nothing in it and see how that goes out again. But like I said, that catch that one cat again. I'm just gonna have to take him off to the somewhere to the another woods or something, cause he's not learning. He's not getting the picture to stay out the yard. Keeps aggravating my dogs. And I don't even know what they got going on over there. Alright. Turn around. Alright. Oh. Girl. And push this lever back. And that's how you catch an animal with no food. See there, no food at all. Now, either in the morning or next 2 or 3 days, you'll see something in there. I'll make another video of it. Just subscribe to my channel and you'll be able to see it. I'm gonna be doing this for a little while. Just thought I could experiment with a trap without no bait in it. So I was told I couldn't do that because the animals just wouldn't run in there. But I'll be damned if they ain't that damn stupid. Told you they were stupid. Wild animals, they don't know. Because not only that, hell, if you really think about it, you could also do this. Put like an old carpet on it without like human smell. Without human smell. Put it over the top of the cage. And if it's like snowing or something, animal come running up in there to catch shelter, you know. And bam, you caught your fucking rabbit or something. Something come. I'm telling you, I've tried it. And it works every time for me, so it works every time. So y'all try it at home, or perfectly harmless. Just try to be careful with the wildlife. I don't do it to have fun though. I just do it to keep the animals away from my dogs. It aggravates them at night. That's what's keeping us up at night. Them walking through our yard. And I guess the dogs get their ass. It's kind of hard to do this with the phone in my hand, so I'm just going to put it on pause real quick, and I'll be right back with y'all. Because it's getting, I don't want to get my phone wet either, so. Alright, I'll be right back. Y'all won't even miss me. Back to what I was saying. See. Back to what I was saying. I don't trap really for the sport. I just try to keep the animals away from my dogs. Even though my dogs are a pain in the ass sometimes. But it's alright. I love them. Four-wheeler. Can't get that motherfucker running. So, you see where it's at. It's gonna stay there till I can get it fixed. This fucking cat getting on my fucking nerves. Shut up. Stupid fucking cat. He's a dumbass. Was he big? Yeah, I caught him on camera. It was the same one last time. I'm telling you, catch him next time. I'm going to take him down the road somewhere. I don't know where I'm going to put him. Yeah. Yeah. I caught him with nothing in the trap. With no food or nothing. This is all my dog bowls. You can see it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Mini-Me, I feed him in the living room. I mean in the kitchen. So I don't even bring his bowl back here. I just bring 5 of them. And right now, I'm taking care of 2 more dogs down the road for a guy. He's a truck driver. And he's paying me $50 a week $50 a week plus he's buying the food, so I think that's pretty damn good. $50 a week for nothing. Really, all you gotta do is go over there and feed his dogs and water them. Pretty easy. Pretty easy work. Oh my goodness. Just in the bedroom. Upon my Xbox and my damn, what you call it, shop fan. Yesterday, I know it's a mess. I know, you don't have to say it. Oh well, I don't care. I don't care. I don't sleep in there anymore. It was off of the limits. Did the mailman run yet? Keep an eye out. What's the name's money's supposed to be coming sometime or the other. I can't wait, really.
Should be here about today because it was Saturday when y'all was talking.
Yeah. He mailed it the next morning, supposedly. That was Sunday, and the mail don't run on Sunday. Should be here by now, though. Tell you what, if it ain't, I'm gonna file missing check, missing mail. Because he's telling me the truth, he's sending that money, then that means that either the mailman's taking our money or Billy's taking it, or I don't know who the hell's taking it, but somebody's taking that shit. I know they are, 'cause I don't go to the mailbox at all. I don't even go at all. I think I get the most mail up in the house for somebody that don't go to the mailbox. Either me or you, we're most of the bills anyway. Billy don't got no bills. Where's Mini Me's food bowl?
Over there behind the display.
Little booty boo. Little fucking booty poo. Pooty pooty. What are you doing? Boy. Y'all think that's an angel. He's not. I assure you he is not. He's just on camera right now and he knows that mess. I've noticed that about him. Just as soon as he sees a camera on him, he straightens up. But that camera not on him, he's all over this yard, all over this house. He's all over this house. Yeah. There's not enough light up in here. Let's see if we can see this little bastard. There he is. Hi, boo. Look at me. Hey, boy. Mini me. Acting sweet for the camera. You're not sweet. You're not sweet. Can't fool me with that mess. I lived with you too long, boy. And there you go. There's the whole set of dog food that I have to deal with every day. And this is Little Bird, Missy, Dixie, Cat, Booty. Be right back. Y'all probably won't never miss me. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go fix their food. It'd be a little hard with the phone in my hand. I don't want to get it dirty either. So, I'll be right back.